Hello everyone, this is Rizwan. Hope everyone is doing good. Today I just wanted to show you a little bit about how to sell on Amazon. As you all know that Amazon is one of the actually the one giant in e-commerce and online selling, and 90-95% of the people and customers buy from Amazon. It's a name of trust. They have a very good and like a high quality process for everything from selling to delivering to shipping and everything. So today I'm just going to show you how to sell on Amazon through FBM, fulfillment by merchant. So I have actually opened my account as well. I'm just going to show you how that looks like. So I'm in Canada, and in Canada, Seller Central Amazon is the one from which I usually sell. I do have access to Amazon Seller Central in US as well, like .com, but usually my orders comes from sellercentral.amazon.com. So let's just start right away. So let's say that you have researched your product through product hunting and everything, and you have come up with wireless earbuds. So it's really simple. What you want to do is just grab the ASIN number. So let's say you have searched for wireless earbuds, and this is the product that you want to sell. Let's say this is a product that you want to sell. By the way, I have also installed the Helium extension from which I can directly get the ASIN from here, and the bestseller ranking from here as well. But like, let's say if you don't have that, then just go into the product. So these are wireless earbuds, Bluetooth earbuds. So this is the whole description of the title. It has a very good health score, 8.75 out of 10, so that's really good. So if you let's scroll down, and if you look at the bottom of it, you will see ASIN over here under technical details. So you will see product information and then technical details, and in there you will see the ASIN number. So this is the ASIN number. So you'll just copy that, and then just go here and click here on the three horizontal lines. Then go on to inventory, manage inventory. I have a lot of products listed here, so I'll just show you how to list a new one. So you just click on add a product, and then there are a couple of ways that you can search for a product that you want to sell. I usually use the ASIN number which I copied earlier, but you can also use UPC ISBN. So let's start with ASIN number, press enter. So now you see that you can sell this product. Sometimes what happens that it says over here that you cannot sell it or there are some restrictions, but so you can also like research that, and in some conditions you can also sell those kind of products. You just have to get certain kind of permissions, but this is just a very easy product to list. So you see over here, select a condition. From here, new, collectible, or used. So you can if you want to just sell the new one, and I usually do that because I also sell new products. So you will just select new from here, and then click on sell this product. So once you do that, a new screen will open up where it will give you the details of it. So currently this product is, as we see from here as well, that from here, that this product was 35.99 Canadian dollars. So but the usual normal price of it is 39.99 with the prime and everything. So you just want to list the product a little bit lower than this, so your listing can also get in the list of suppliers who can ship this item. So let's say instead of 39.99 you do it for $38.99, and you can just leave this seller SKU as it is. It doesn't really matter. So this is just mind you, this is fulfilled by merchant, FBM. So, and then what you do is in standard price you write whatever the price you want to write. Normally I do it a little bit lower, so it's little attractive also, the price point. And then quantity, you can just maybe whatever the quantity you have, let's say 50. And then condition is, these are the categories, so you can select new, used acceptable, used good, used like new, used very good. So I always select new because I sell new products. And then here in fulfillment channel, if you're doing FBM, it's by default always selected merchant fulfilled. So if you're doing FBM, which is fulfillment by merchant, you will just leave it as it is, or make sure that it is selected here. And that's it. If you want to list in the US also, you can enter the price over here. If you want to sell in Mexico, well, I have to apply for it first for the application and everything, but I have the US and Canada seller central, so I can list the price over here as well. So see over here in lowest price, my price is the lowest one. So what I'll do, I'll just double check everything is good. So the price is good, quantity is good, condition is new, it's selected fulfillment by merchant, so FBM, everything is good to go. And then I'll just click on save and finish. So once I do that, it will take a little bit of time and it will show up in my inventory. So to go into the inventory, you just click again on those three horizontal lines, then go on to inventory and then manage inventory. So here, after maybe 10-15 minutes, sometimes after 4 or 5 minutes, your listing will be displayed over here, just like this one. It will show up as active, image of the product, which is by default the one you actually just listed it by just saying that you also have this product. So the default image of that product in that listing will show up in here. SKU will, whatever will be by default, or whatever is selected by Amazon or in that listing will show up in here. Product name, date created, which is today, so that will, that date will show up here. Like, let's say if you created this today, then today's date will be showing up in here. Available quantity, and this is the fee which is taken by Amazon. So if you are doing an individual account, that means you're not paying monthly for this service. So what happens is, if you're selling in an individual account, you don't have to pay monthly fee. Whatever product you list, when that sells, Amazon just takes a little bit of a fee for that, and then the rest of it just comes to you. And whatever the cost of that product and shipping is, if you minus that from the total amount, whatever is left behind is your profit. So that's how it all works. And so one is individual account, which is what I do, and then the other one you can do is pay a monthly fee. There are a lot of benefits in that, and if you want to do a regular selling, and then if you want to do like professional and like selling in big quantities, then that's very, very beneficial. Amazon also provides you some options for marketing as well. But like, I do this for now. Maybe I'll also switch at some point later to the Amazon membership, seller membership, and then do it from there as well. But for now, I just do this one. It's really helpful, really easy, and it's really like, if you want to, if you don't want to pay any fee, then it will just take out, Amazon will just take out the fee once the item is sold, per item. So estimated fee per unit sold. So it just calculates on its own. It has its own system for that. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, please definitely write that down in the comment section. Please like, share, and follow. Thank you very much. Take care and have a nice day. Goodbye.